Cahoots creates opportunities for children and young people, especially those living with disability and those who face exceptional challenges, to develop friendships, skills and confidence.
Everyone gets an equal opportunity. They can just put themselves out there and show their true colours.
Everything we did was face-to-face. Pandemic, that wasn't on our risk register.
Just suddenly hit, everything changed.
We were looking at the worst case scenario and the organisation actually becoming insolvent.
Everyone was in isolation. Staying connected was critical.
We needed a platform that enabled people to communicate and collaborate virtually. Being able to stay connected was possible due to Microsoft 365. We shifted our thinking and went out of crisis mode to innovation mode. Cahoots Connects was launched during the pandemic to help people connect to groceries, pharmaceuticals and other essential items.
We had a reference group of customers living with disabilities. We met with them by teams to get feedback. Creating something brand new and doing it completely remotely went perfectly well.
For us, the savings with avoiding the opportunity costs are the key. Cahoots handle a lot of sensitive information and data. Our partner Bremer recommended Microsoft 365 Business Premium. It's important to us that we are using a secure platform.
We have two-factor authentication that only our team can see.
It's enabled us to employ people that may struggle to come to the office every day, including new mothers or fathers.
They get more time in their day, not having to travel. They're more productive.
Microsoft is humanising technology because it's enabling people of all abilities. The social impact of the work that Cahoots does is unmeasurable.
And being able to stay in touch with our community allowed us to actually develop the services that they needed and then also to bring them along with us on the road to recovery.
Cahoots made it really amazing by transitioning to online. It made me feel more connected to everyone.
Through the use of Teams, we will continue growing and helping more families in the Western Australian community.
When you can see the happy smiling faces of these kids, it's very rewarding.